So, whenever Sassy is with the other dogs, the attendants should present Sassy's rear end first to the other dogs and let them sniff.
Okay.
Make sure that you have control over the dog's head, okay? And you present the rear end.
Okay.
Right after that, you take Sassy to the back of the other dog and you let her sniff. Come on around this way so you get it. Okay? All right. So now
you know each other.
Now they're friends.
we're going to always make sure that the dogs are walking Sassy in front. And we're going to let the other dogs sniff from the rear, move them up slowly. By making them walk, Sassy, which has a little bit of an issue, will always be looking forward, and she really won't notice the dog in the back. Okay, present your dog's head. You can physically grab the head and put it into that area so he sniffs.
Yeah, you gotta sniff.
Okay, now what we want to do is we want to stop. You want to walk forward and do the same process. Now remember, in this case, you really don't have to worry about it. Go ahead. Okay? Slow down a little bit. Okay? Okay, stop. If your dog is moving too quick, just stop. Let Sassy sniff from the back. Okay? Now what I want you to do is I want you to walk both the dogs, but I want your body in between the dogs.
Okay.
Okay? So you come this way. So if your body's going to be in between the dog, either Sassy, there you go.
And that was too low.
When you first introduce them on the walk, which should be a quick process, and I've got a hard time believing that there would be any problem unless it was with another dog. Okay? Walk them, get a little closer together.
Why don't you get on the other side?
That's good, just like that.
Yeah.
That's because
She's still licking her lips though.
when she licks her lips, you correct. That snaps the brain from frustration, which most of the times that's what licking of the lips means.